Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure global investments with JPMorgan, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the JPMorgan investment website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Provide the necessary personal information to set up your account. Verify your identity through the required documentation. Once logged in, navigate to the Global Investments section of the website. Explore the various investment options available under Global Investments. Select the type of investment that aligns with your financial goals. Review the details and performance history of your chosen investment. Consider consulting the investment strategy documents for in-depth insight. Determine the amount you wish to invest. Select a funding method for your investment. Ensure you have linked your bank account or payment method. Initiate the funding process by entering the amount. Confirm the transaction details before proceeding. Review any fees associated with your investment. Submit your investment request. Receive confirmation of your investment via email. Monitor your investment performance through your account dashboard. Set up alerts to notify you of significant market changes. Consider periodically reviewing your portfolio to adjust your investments as necessary. For further guidance, reach out to JPMorgan's customer service or your investment representative. Stay informed with market trends and news that may affect your investments. Continue to educate yourself about global investment strategies for better decision-making. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.